I am not going to sell you anything that you don't need. The people I employ, I won't employ anybody that is going to try and sell you something you don't need. They don't belong here. And I'm not saying that there aren't other good shops out there that do the same thing. I'm sure there are. But I know there's a lot of shops that aren't that way, because we get customers in all the time from different shops that are not being treated properly. So I mean, that's the biggest thing I can stress, is that I can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars by not selling you whatever you don't need, basically.